Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I went way too overboard on this, but my mathematical genius mentor gave me a good suggestion. If you take your parallel dimension tool and go from the quadrant up to the first intersection, it is 6.43, and then double that, which would be 12.86, and then hit P, it intersects all the intersections of that. Let's try one that's maybe not as easily in math as that. There's 766, and even if you aren't good in math, so let's draw another ellipse. You know that it's 766 plus 766, enter, and it's 1532. Let's make it black so it'll show up, and hit P. It's on that intersection perfectly. Probably a lot quicker if you had all your circles drawn and so on. So I thank you for that and hope that helps. Thank you for watching.